Do you want to learn how to turn this pile of garbage into this epic RC course? Of course you do. Let's get started. Alright, so we rated the recycling for any cardboard, boxes, paper, and plastic bottles we could find. I start by putting down some cardboard that I will use as a base to build on. Once that's all taped down, I start to arrange the boxes, taping them down to form the shape and design of course that I'm looking for. I decided to do a hill climb mountain range with a cavern. Now if you had styrofoam, that would work excellent to build this out of. Unfortunately for me, I didn't find any set out on the road on garbage day. I'll let you watch while I do this so you have a good idea of what's going on. While building up your course, I like to crunch down any of the hard corners or hard lines in the boxes to make it look more natural. And don't be afraid to use too much tape. When you're all done, it should look like, well, a pile of garbage, but with more tape and hopefully fun to drive over. Step 2 should make it look a lot better. Step 2, paper mache. If you've never made paper mache before, don't worry, it's simple. Just 1 part flour, 1 part water, and mix it well. While mixing, you can add a bit more water if it's too thick. You're looking for a nice paste, similar to a thick gravy. Once you have your paste made, you want to take the newspaper and tear it into manageable strips. Take your strips and using your hand completely coat the newspaper. If it's difficult to spread the paste without tearing the paper, the mixture could be a little too thick. If it's dripping off of the newspaper, it's too runny. Don't worry, if this happens, it's easy to fix. Just add more flour to thicken it and more water to make it runny. Once your newspaper is covered and nice and sticky, you can start to cover the structure. Overlapping the strips, you want to cover it entirely. Be sure to push the strips down and into all the crevices. After letting it dry, you will have to repeat this process with more layers. Keep adding layers until it has reached your desired strength. I did around 5 layers, plenty enough strength for the RC truck. Here's what it looks like now that I got it completely covered. Step 3. Painting. I'm starting with a coat of primer. I'm going to do a second coat of primer, but I'm going to tint it with a little darker this time. There's no wrong way to paint this, just let out your inner Bob Ross and think happy little bushes. Well, there you go, guys, my DIY RC crawler course. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. If you want to see if my SCX can make it across, be sure to subscribe and don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching.